4.3.2, how can I group them the distributive property? In lesson 4.3.1, you use variables to name lengths that could not be precisely measured. Using variables helps you to work with the lengths that you do not know exactly. Today, you're going to work with your team to write expressions for the perimeters of different shapes using variables. As you work with your teammates, use these questions to help you focus on your team's discussion. So again, you want to keep these in mind as we're working. Which lengths can vary? How can we see the perimeter? How can we organize groups of things? So 4-85 says using the algebra tiles on your desk or in the E-tool, make the shape shown below. Trace each shape, label the length on each side of your drawing. With your team, find and record the total perimeter and area of each shape. If possible, write the perimeter in more than one way. Now we're only going to be doing Alpha and Charlie. Bravo is very similar to Alpha, so I went ahead and skipped that one. And I did already copy it in your notebook, so that's what's right here on this guy right here. I went ahead and I copied those. So those are the shapes. So we have Alpha right here, Charlie right here, and we're going to be finding the area and perimeter of both and writing them here and here. And then we're going to substitute in some values. And that's the tricky part if you have heard from anybody who was here on this day, or maybe you're choosing to go back and re-listen to this so that you're able to be more successful with this. So what we're going to do is, first thing I want to do is I'm going to write down my area of this shape right here. So with this area, I see that I remember that area is on the inside of shapes. So for this guy right here, we named our tiles for their area because we have x times x, fiddlesticks. X times x, that's x squared. 1 times x is x, and 1 times 1 is 1. And so all I need to do is I need to really figure out what tiles are here. So I have x squared, because I only have one of those, plus 2 x's plus 2 y's. Next, what I'm going to do is I need to do my perimeter, my outside edge. I always start in the upper left-hand corner because that helps me to remember to go all the way around just in case things get a little wonky. So I have my 1 on this side, 1, x, 1, 1, 1, x, 1, x, 1, x, and 1. Now that I have those, I'm going to combine like terms. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them that look alike. So that's 4x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Now again, it asked me to write it a different way. I'm not going to worry about that right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to Charlie. Try to find the area and perimeter of Charlie. So I see for my area 1, 2 x's plus 1, 2, 3 ones. Now I'm going to find my perimeter. So 1, 1, x, 1. Sometimes kids will miss this guy right there in the middle. X, 1, 1, 1, x, 1, x, 1. One, 2, 3, 4 x's. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. I almost missed it. Okay, so now I have my area and my perimeter for both shapes.